Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to start on a Father's Day card today. So I'm just going to do the card front as I do sometimes. So this is a 5x7 card. This piece is 5x7. This is 4 3/4 by 6 3/4. So we're going to mat that on the front. So this piece is cut at 4 inches by 6 1/2. We're going to put that over toward this side. Just kind of centering it up. So leaving that border around the edges. Then we have a piece of the brown that is cut at 1 inch by 6 1/2. And we're going to put that over here. And we're going to leave a little bit of that black showing down through there. Then I have a piece here that is cut at 3 1/2 by 3 1/2, and then I just kind of angled it like a shirt collar. So that's going to go right there, but we're going to put a piece of black under it. And all I did to cut this black is I just laid that brown down on it and just trimmed it out with just a tiny bit of that black showing. Just do like I did. Take you a piece of copy paper and just trace it out like you think it should look. Just do trial and error. And then when you get it to the size that you want and the way you want it to look, then you're ready to put it down. So on this piece, all you're going to do is line it up right there at the top, just leaving that black showing, and you're going to glue it down right there, just like that. And now we have a pocket that we cut, and this pocket is cut at 2 1/2 wide and 2 3/4 long, and then I just angled the bottom, just found my center and angled the bottom. And then I did the same thing with this black piece. I just laid this brown piece down on a piece of black and just kind of trimmed it out. So it would have just a tiny bit of that black showing. And I'm going to go ahead and trim this just a little bit more right here. A little bit too much black showing right there. So then we're going to glue this down on there. And I will give you some still photos over on my blog so that this will be easier for you to see and duplicate. Alright, now we're just going to put glue right around the edge of this. You're not going to put your glue in the middle because you want this to be where you put the gift. So we're going to put that about right there. Like that. Let me look, make sure that's straight. Bring it down just a tiny bit. That looks good. And then I have just that little piece, just this piece is 5/8 by 4 1/2. And I'm just going to put that right across the top, just like that. And to make this kind of stand out away from the pocket and make it look like it's a little fold, I'm going to take my black marker and I'm just going to go around the edges. And then we're just going to take a little pop dot and put one on both ends. And maybe the center of it. Oops. And we're going to put that down right there at the top of the pocket. Now I have some buttons that I've just run some string through. We're going to put these buttons on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. put my first one right up here at the top. And I'll put my last one down, and then I can even those other ones up maybe. Okay, there we go. We've got the buttons on. And then we have two little pieces of bling. And these are just little black pieces. And we're going to put one right there. Sorry about my squeaky chair. Time to oil it again. One right there, one right there. And then we're going to take our white gel pen and we're just going to put some stitch marks on here right at the edge of this black and brown. And then I'm going to run some stitch marks up here at the top too. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put some stitch marks down through here. Just like that. And that is your Father's Day card. Now, this little pocket right here is going to hold your goodies. There. All I have is a Clinique card. Of course, we wouldn't give this to him, but you could put a little gift card down in there. You could slide some money in there, whatever. But isn't that cute? So that is the Father's Day card. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little bell when that bell pops up so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. And we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.